Here I have this wide grip wig cap. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it, test it out, and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is by the company Dream Lover, and it is a wide grip wig cap. So this is to ensure that your wig does not fall off. Most of the time, a lot of the wig caps come with a wig cap that looks just like this. As you can see, it is very, very thin, and it makes it easy for the wig to fall off if it's not secured properly. So let me go ahead and take it out and show you what this one looks like. All right, so check it out. I'm taking it out of the package. It is available in a variety of colors. This one is in the color brown. It does have Velcro right here. Another great thing about this one is that it is also washable. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. So you still want to go ahead and wear your wig cap, but this is going to give you that wider fit to ensure that your wig stays nice and secure. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and place it with the logo facing forward, and as you can see, it does have like an extra side right here. It's like a little bit wider than the sides. I'm gonna place this on your head, and then you want to go ahead and wrap it around, and then make sure it is secure with the Velcro. So I'm going to go ahead and try on the wig without the wig cap just to show you how easy the wig can fall off if it is not properly secured. So this is the wig without the wig cap. Simply falls off your head. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig using the wide grip wig cap. All right, so I could already feel a difference in the wig cap, the wider grip cap. I could already feel it a lot tighter on my head. As you can see, I'm yanking it and it is not going anywhere. I'm completely yanking the wig and it is nice and tight on my head. So I was completely yanking the wig and it is nice and tight. The wig is super secure. It is not going anywhere with this wider grip band. I cannot believe I've waited this long to try something out like this that is going to completely secure my wig and keep it in place. So no matter how much I shake my head, the wig is not coming off. So overall, if you're looking for a good, reliable product to go ahead and keep your wig nice and secure, I would definitely recommend